Hey guys, to help students tackle the similar right triangle problems that they seem to always struggle with is because they can't seem to remember the theorems. So what I have done is I have developed this 3x3 table that helps students set up their proportions so that they can solve the right triangles. So how it works is in this drawing, you first have to be able to recognize that there are 3 right triangles. So, and they are always little ones, medium ones, and then the large ones on the outside. So that's how I organize them. I organize them by small, medium, and large. And each of these right triangles, they all have what we call a short leg, a long leg, and the hypotenuse. So we will organize our information in this little table, and then once you are done with that, the proportion will pop up like right in front of you. Okay, so let's take a look at the small right triangle real quick, and that's this one right here. And if it helps, you can actually use a highlighter and highlight the small right triangles, right? So if you look carefully, the small right triangle has a short leg, a long leg, and the hypotenuse. Remember, the hypotenuse of a right triangle is always the longest one. So the short leg here happened to be 9, so I would put 9 in that box. And then the long leg happened to be X, okay? And then the hypotenuse is unknown, which means, or is not given. So I don't even know how long that is, so I leave it blank, right? You don't fill anything in, or you just cross it out or X it out or draw a line through it, right? So I don't have that. And then I move on to my medium right triangle. For this, you can use a different highlighter to highlight it. The medium right triangle is usually the other one on the other side, right? And again, the medium right triangle has a short leg, a long leg, and the hypotenuse. And this happened to be, a short leg is X, so I would put X here. The long leg is 27. I would put it right underneath there. And then, of course, again, the hypotenuse is unknown, so I leave it alone, right? Now, so far, if you look at this information, you already have the proportion to solve for X, okay? So you don't really need to move on to the large triangle in order to find your proportion. So your proportion becomes 9 over X equals to X over 27. And then you move on and you solve this.